If you want to claim the best possible sign-up bonus on the platform, you can simply scroll down to the video description and click on the link. It will take you directly to this page where you can potentially unlock up to $5,000 in bonuses. To get started, just enter your details and complete the sign-up process. Once your account is created and you log in for the first time, you'll see the main dashboard. From here, you can immediately start using the demo trading feature. Go to the derivatives section and click on Perpetual Futures to open the trading interface. On the trading page, you'll find the option for demo trading at the top right corner. Click on it, and your account will switch to a demo mode. If you scroll down, you'll notice Virtual Test Funds, VST, available in your account. If they don't appear, you can also go to the deposit section and redeem additional demo funds. Once your demo balance is available, you can choose any amount, open positions, and explore the platform freely without risking real money. It's a great way to practice and understand how trading works before going live. Don't forget to sign up using the link in the video description to make sure you get the maximum bonus of up to $5,000. If you need more tutorials on BingX, you can check out other videos on the channel. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments.